Hello everyone, this is me Ratna Thapa, and today you will know how to calculate the total marks, average marks, maximum marks, minimum marks of different subjects. Now I'm going to share the worksheet here. Okay, this is a worksheet. No, this is called Maths Ledger. So you have to find out here this RAM is getting here 56 in computer, math 78, science 88, English 99, Nepali 67. So how to give the formula for the total marks, average marks, maximum marks and minimum marks? So these 5 persons are here, and these 5 subjects are here with the marks. We have to find out. You have to write the formula for total marks, average marks, maximum marks, and minimum marks. As you know very well, always I'm going to tell you. Always you have to start your formula with equal to sign, and you have to use column name and row number. Along with, I have told you many times that when you will use function, you have to use the first detached cell address and the last detached cell address. I hope you know this now. Okay, now we are going to start here to calculate the total marks, average marks, maximum, minimum marks of RAM. Now, this is your total marks. No, this is total marks column. You can write your formula by clicking here. Otherwise, you can do here in the formula bar as you wish. Okay, now RAM is getting 56 in computer, math 78, science 88, English 99, and Nepali 67. How much he will get? Then you have to write the formula. You will use here sum function. You will use here sum function for the total marks. You will do equal to, then sum, then bracket. Give the cell address of this 56. What is the cell address of this 56? This is column name C, row number 6. So you will do C6 colon. Then last cell address. You don't have to write the cell address for this middle one data. 67. What is the cell address of this 67? That is column name G and row number 6. So you will do G6, then bracket close, enter. 388. He got total marks 388. It means Ram got 388 total marks. Then you can find out here average marks equals to, you will use average function here, average, then bracket. Then what is the cell address of this 56 again? C6 colon, then G6, because the 67's cell address is G and 6, row number 6. Enter. He got 77.6 percentage. Now maximum marks. Among this 56, 78, 88, 99, 67. So what is the maximum marks he is getting here? Then you have to find out by using which function? Max function. MAX bracket. Again, cell address of this 56. C6 colon. Cell address of 67. G6. Enter. 99 is the maximum marks. You see here, this 99. Now like that you will find out the minimum marks. For minimum you will use mean function. mean function is used to find the minimum value. So then again this 56 data cell address, that is C6 colon, again last one, that is 67, GN6, enter. Yes, minimum is 56. You see here 56, 78, 88, 99, 67. So 56 is the minimum max of RAM. Like this you can find out the total marks, average marks, minimum marks, sorry, maximum marks and minimum marks. So here you can give formula yourself. I hope you can give. So Sam is getting here in computer 45, math 65, science 77, English 88, Nepali 44. Like that also you can give the formula here. You can give the formula here one by one. Either you can use the fill handle. Better to use here fill handle. You will do this here, click here, then drag it. Yes. Here also use fill handle in computer, but you will do in copy by giving the formula. Then it will be like this. Then drag it also. Yes. Drag it also. Drag it. Yes. By this way, you can use the fill handle to copy the formula from one to another cell. So I hope you understood everyone here. So in computer, you can use the fill handle how I have used here, like this you can do. But in copy, you have to write down the formula. Like what is the formula of this one? 388. You see in the formula bar, you have to write this one equals to some C6, G6. This 319. What is the formula? You see here. Sum equal to sum C7 colon G7 bracket close. Like this, you have to write the formula in copy. In computer, it's okay. You can use the fill handle to calculate. But in copy, you have to write down the formula, and you have to do the work in copy by using the table. You have to draw table and you have to write the formula one by one. I hope you have understood everyone here. So average, maximum, minimum max. So here also you can use the fill handle, fill handle, fill handle. You can use it in the computer, but in copy you have to write down the formula. So I hope everyone understood here how to use the fill handle also, and how to do in copy also. In copy you have to do in copy by drawing the table. You have to create the table and you have to do with pencil also, and you have to give the formula one by one. And in computer you will do by using the fill handle. Okay, now I'm going to stop this video. I hope you have already understood here. Bye bye, take care, and see you soon.